Hello, Sax pals. I'm back to play and talk through a few more songs in your book, and we are going to start with number 84, which is called Morning. Before we play this one, you can look just above the actual song. They have this little box where they're talking about conducting. It might look weird because it's written with lines, but basically this song is in 3/4 time. So if somebody was conducting the piece, their motion with their hand or baton would go down for the first beat, out for the second beat, and then back up for the third beat. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And so they ask you, before you play, sing and conduct the following piece. You can do that or not. Honestly, knowing conducting patterns is more important for the next time you're in a class with a conductor or a teacher, in this case Mr. Gagnon, because those are the motions that he's doing, and they're always going to be the same for 3/4 anyway. 4/4 is a little bit different, but for 3/4 it's always going to be down, out, up. And especially knowing that the downbeat is a motion straight down. That is really helpful when you're playing in an ensemble. So let's look at Morning now. The tempo is moderato. We've got one F sharp in the key signature. Mezzo forte dynamic, and like I said, we're in 3/4. You may recognize this piece. It's called Morning. It's kind of, people use it a lot to soundtrack like a sunrise, if you think of that. So it's sort of pretty and light. You'll want to pay attention to the slurs in this piece and check out the repeat sign at the end. Okay? The only other thing that I would say is watch for the breath mark. It's right in the middle in the 4th measure. So what you want to start doing with these pieces is only breathe. Challenge yourself to only breathe where there's a breath mark and see if you can last the rest of the time. So I will give you an example. Hopefully I will be able to do that. So here it is, 84. 1, 2, 3. So you may have noticed I breathed at the end where the repeat was before I skipped back. When it's at the end of a phrase like that, even if there's not a breath mark in the music, it's okay to breathe. You just have to make the last note a little bit shorter. Okay?